Science! And 1, 2. Woo! Science! Hey kids, Professor Marbles here. Today we're going to take an egg and we're going to drop it on purpose and make it survive. Let's go to the lab!
Oop, that's my cue.
All right, we're back at the lab. We've got some materials we're going to use to try to make a vessel to put our egg in to survive a drop. Now, your school might have different rules on how high you're going to drop the egg from and how long it has to survive, but we're just going to throw it in the yard and hope for the best. So, let's get out in the yard and throw some eggs.
I surrender!
All right, so we're in the yard. We're gonna stand over there. We'll throw everything this way. We'll put the egg in the stuff and we'll throw it that way. So I remember where I put the egg. Is it? Oh, that'd be so embarrassing if Alexa, add eggs to grocery list.
I don't know that.
Alrighty, here we are in the yard with Mr. Science, Professor Marbles, Marbleator 10,000, making its maiden
I know some of
voyage.
these words.
Just gonna give it a good old Tom Brady and hope for the best. Here we go. Let's find out. Oh, it's still together. Come to Papa. There she is. Alrighty. So that's one way. Don't steal my idea. Come up with your own, why don't you? Are we cutting to the other one? All right, now we're back outside. We're gonna try some of our other vessels. This first one, just a regular cardboard box. Thankfully, I have Prime, so it's 2-day shipping. Let's see how it did. Wow, would you look at that? It's still together. Let's try another one. Next up, we're gonna try something near and dear to my heart. Marbles. Just one. Let's go see. Wow, there it is. It made it. That's incredible. Let's try another one. Next, we're gonna try a pot. Eggs. It's what's for dinner. Let's go check it out. Wow, would you look at that? It's fine. That's so crazy. Let's try another one. All right, our next vessel is a military drop case. This will be fine. Let's go check it out. Let's see how it comes. Look, it's fine.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy? Let's test another one. All right, this one, we're gonna test a brick. Now, I know what you're saying. A brick. That's not gonna work, but a brick is tough. So, riddle me that. So we're gonna tape our egg to the brick, just like that. And 1, 2, science! Let's go check it out. Wow, would you look at that? It's fine! That's so crazy.
'Tis but a scratch.
A scratch? Your arm's off.
No, it isn't.
Well, what's that then?
I've heard worse.
You liar!
Come on, you pansy.
That's so crazy. All of them turned out great. What are the odds?
We did it! Yay!
I need you to pee! For science! Science!
No Professor Marbles were harmed in the making of this video.
Watching this video, remember to look for the science around you, and I'll see you in the next experiment. You can give me some potty? It's in there, I know it. Let me give you a little jump start. Now what?